we're going to interlace behind your neck, and good. Okay. How are we doing? Okay. We're just going to let the hip come through and just beautiful. Good. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Good. Good. Nice. Good. Interlace behind your neck. And I'm going to come right through here. Okay. Relax. Perfect. Come right there. Very good. You can lie down, relax. That's fine. Where do you guys travel from?
LA. Yeah.
LA?
Yeah.
What part?
Commerce?
Oh.
Almost 9 years LA.
That's right. Okay, so anything I need to know about? How's your body?
No.
She's falling asleep right now.
She's ready. She's ready.
Oh.
Feel that in the low back or in the knees? Low back? Just, okay, scoot up a little bit up this way. There you go. Good. Okay, so you can definitely see the pelvis is rotated here. There's a lot of spasm right in the QLs, especially on the left. And then it rotates back on the right. Definitely there. Okay. So we're going to take care of this first. Go ahead and sit up and slide all the way down to the bottom. We got to get those shoulders open. Remember this?
Yeah.
So we're going to interlace behind your neck, and that's good. Let's go face down. See how already that's opened up this nicely. Line your right side facing me. And okay. How are we doing? Okay. We're just going to let the hip come through and just beautiful. Lie your back. Feel that right there?
Yeah.
Nice. Excellent. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Nice. Okay, let me just check these. Good. Nice. Perfect. That one right there, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, let's go ahead and sit up, slide on down to the bottom for a moment. Did a good job relaxing through all that. And bring your chin down, and just bring it down that way. And come on back up to your, get that curve back, open up the chest. That's great. So line your back and just relax right up there, okay? Okay, miss. Anything I need to know?
No, just always like lower back, basically.
You've felt some low back stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel that in the low back at all?
Not really.
Not much? Quite a bit right there. right there. So line your side face me. And good. And let's turn to the other side. Excellent. And up there. So you sitting a lot or standing a lot or what?
Standing a lot.
There we go. Good. Let's go ahead and sit up for a moment. We're going to have you interlace behind your neck. Bring those elbows together and real gently just get this little right there. Perfect. Great. Line back. And we're going to pull your hair up this way just so it doesn't get stuck. Yeah, you can feel this a lot down low. Right here. Good. Good. Nice. Let's slide down a little bit. Good. Excellent. So do you work a lot with your hands?
Kind of.
Kind of?
Yeah.
I'll just check these guys just to make sure. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I kind of have problems with wrists.
Yeah. A lot of times, because the neck, all the power comes from the neck down in these areas, and I found a lot of stuff in your neck out of alignment at the brachial plexus, and you feel that there, right? Yeah. And that can cause the muscles not to work right down here, and those carpal bones can. There we go. Excellent. Okay, let's go ahead and sit up that way.
Alright.
Good use of the hoodie. Just keep working on that curve. Keep that punch there away. Okay, line your back. Relax. Good. What's that? Okay. Anything I need to know?
No.
No? Okay.
The crunch in your belly.
Are you going to school?
Yeah, it tickles. Yeah.
Tickles there. Right there too. Okay, line this side face me. Excellent, good. Let's go ahead and sit up for a moment. We're gonna have to even sit over here though. You have that habit of, like that. Interlace behind the seat, interlace behind your neck. And I'm gonna come right through here, okay? Relax. Good, perfect. And let's go face down again.
Lay down your top and lumbar. What's the photographer's book? Huh?
Okay. That's moving better. Nice, line your back. Excellent.
What? Yeah. They told her to call us, they'd be here on Saturday. I said, I call quite a bit, you know, just to make sure.
There we go.
I
Get this here, so I'm gonna come right there. Very good. Feel that one right there?
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna come over this way. Nice. Oh, yes. That opened nicely. Let's sit up to the left. Excellent.
So it's a whole new person.
That's right, whole new person. All right, we're checking under the hood. Okay, bring your chin up. There we go. Excellent. Power's on. How about thumbs up to the camera? Thumbs up.
Highly recommended. Only here at Redondo Beach.
All right, guys.